governors as chairperson.
Thutha wa guthurwo ikerekainiria keri ta muikariri giti wa KANJU ya MANGABANA, Gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru muthenya wa ira ni araniriire ni megutemania mendekithia ma gucenjia watho wa kuhagura magavana mbere ya kamiti ya miario ya wiguano. KANJU na ikendekithia magavana matikahaguragwo miaka iri itainekirire thutha wa kuingira wabici-ini kana mwaka umwe mbere ya githurano kinene.
Tugukorwo tukiheana proposal itu kuria kwi komiti ya bipartisan ni undu warora watho wa kuruta ta mubunge urigithanie na watho wa kuruta gavana, ukona wa kuruta gavana ni arutwo raithi muno, no wa bunge ukona wina uritu.
Ni mendekithia kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC ereganite namo. Murugamiriri munene wa EACC Twalib Mbarak akiuga gaka ni gacira ga gutheremia ungumania makiria.
That kind of request, it will create more chaos than accountability, because what they are telling us is that they are ready for responsibility, but they are not ready for accountability. And we say that responsibility minus accountability is equal to corruption.
Matetaini make, Waiguru araugire mutaratara wa kuhagura magavana ukoragwo uri muhuthu gukira wa kuhagura atongoria angi, akiendekithia wigananu iturwa-ini ciothe. Gukiri ugwo niguo kung'ithanira na ungumania wabici-ini cia magavana. Twalib ni endekithitie magavana magathũrimagwo kuma muthenya wa mbere wona maingira wabici-ini.
The EACC is proposing is that EACC proposes legislative amendments to hold the governors accountable for corruption within all counties at the same time that they take oath of office. No grace period for impunity. They will ensure continuous scrutiny. This will ensure a continuous scrutiny of governors in management of public resources.
Gukinyiria riu, Gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza, Gavana wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi na Gavana wa Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nio magavana aria mangetheirwo ni mikana ya kuhagurwo ni arugamiriri a wadi kaunti-ini ciao.
Bobuge kurutwo no mwaka mundu akorwo ni arogania signature cia andu aria mara registered voters aria meyandikithitie guthurano kana andu aria mathuranire 30%. No woka mwena wa governors gutiri undu tocio, no county assembly ikoragwo iramaruta. Kwoguo ni turenda watho urigithanio.
Corruption in the county governments are instigated by governors through fears and proxies, yet they remain the principal beneficiaries, but you find there is a loophole in law. You are not able to pick them directly.
Gicunji kia 181 gia gatiba kiugite gavana no ahagurwo angiagarara gatiba kana watho ungi kungikorwo na gitumi kiiganu gia kuonania ni ekuruhanitie na ciiko cirauna watho wa bururi kana wa kimabũrũri kana kwaga mitugo miagiriru na huangikorwo na wathe wa kimwiri kana meciria gukinyaniria mawira make ta gavana.